Hello everyone. Today we will start the SQL data adapter in .NET Technology C#, presented by Naman Patel. Content. What is SQL data adapter in C#? Understanding constructor, method and properties of SQL data adapter. How to create an instance of SQL adapter class in C#. SQL data adapter using stored procedure. How to call a stored procedure using SQL data adapter. What is SQL adapter in C#? Data adapter can be considered as a collection of command objects which act like an interface or bridge between the dataset and the database for transferring the data. This is a dataset and database. SQL data adapter transfer the data between the dataset and database. Signature of SQL data adapter in C#. The SQL data adapter class is a sealed class. SQL data adapter class is a sealed class, so it cannot be inherited. SQL data adapter class is a sealed, then it not can inherited. Again is inherited from DB data adapter class and implement the IDB data adapter, IDA data adapter and ICI enable interface. SQL data adapter is not inherited, but it inherited DB data adapter. It also implemented a class IDB data adapter, IDA data adapter, ICI enable. Constructor of SQL data adapter class in C#. Constructor. Public SQL data adapter. Public SQL data adapter SQL command, select command. Public SQL data adapter string, select command text, string, select command, connection string. Public SQL data adapter string, select command text, SQL connection, select connection. What meaning of SQL data adapter? SQL data adapter initialize a new instance of the SQL data adapter class. Instance new class add we use the SQL data adapter. SQL data adapter SQL command, select command. What means? Initialize a new instance of the SQL data adapter class with the specified SQL command. Here the select command can be transact, SQL select statement or stored procedure. SQL data adapter string, select command text, string, select connection string. Initialize a new instance of the SQL data adapter class with the command and connection string. Here the select command text can be transact, SQL select statement or stored procedure. SQL data adapter string, select command text, SQL connection, select connection. Initialize a new instance of SQL adapter class with the command and connection string. This SQL data adapter string, select command text, select connection string is used the connection string command with the create a new instance class. Next, method of SQL data adapter in C#. Clone internals method. It is used to create a copy this instance of data adapter. Dispose boolean This method is used to release the unmanaged resource used by the data adapter. File dataset. It is used to add rows in the dataset to match those in the data source. File schema dataset. Schema type string IDT reader. It is used to add a data table to the specified data set. Get field parameters method. It is used to get the parameters set by the user when executing an SQL statement. REST field load option. It is used to REST field load option to its default state. Update dataset. It is used to call the respective insert, update or delete statement. When we use the SQL program, we insert the data, update data or delete data. We use the update statement in dataset. How to create instance of C# SQL data adapter class. First of all, we use the string constring equal to data source, database studentdb, database name, integrated security SSPI. SQL connection is equal to new SQL connection constring. SQL connection is equal to new SQL connection constring. SQL data adapter DA is a object is equal to new SQL data adapter select star from student is a table name. Connection is a method we create in a database table in student name.